Today on Mr. Bubbles. I got another banger for you guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, I wanted to talk about this real quick so you can see our trucks right there. I got my helper with me, he's coming around right there. And so we came out here to do a townhouse, and you see the community here. It's all townhouses. And we came out here to do one townhouse. The guy was paying cash. But what we did is, I helped my guy. We set it up. We did home and plant protection, moving plants and covering up the outlets. But the thing I wanted to talk to you about is, while my guy was washing, because this is easy peasy downstreaming, I went around this whole little area here and I passed out, what about, let's say 25, 30 of these postcards. You see this right here? The 6x9, I talk about this all the time. Ours, sorry guys, sorry about that. Ours, we changed the design a little bit. You see the $50 discount. The back is the same as it always has been. You see that? And all we did in the front is we took the pictures off and we put the $50 coupon on there. And the reason why I wanted to mention this, something I mention to you guys all the time about doing your 5 arounds, and that's what this is. And let me see if I can show you guys here. Look, this door right here. Let me swing this around. Might be able to zoom in so you guys can see a little bit better. But on that door right there is one of my my flyers, right? But you see that? And then so I went all around there, all around there, all around there. And what ended up happening is we picked up 2 neighbors. We already did one and we're doing the 3rd right now. So as of right now, guys, as of right now, just because of that flyer, okay? It was nothing special that I did. I didn't knock on their door. I wasn't doing sales. It was literally the 2 people saw the flyer on the door while we were doing the house, and they were like, hey, can you guys get mine done too, since you're doing my neighbor? Because I talk about this all the time, social proofing, right? Because you're already here in the neighborhood, so it's not like they gotta hire a complete stranger. So that trust factor that we talk about is going to be through the roof here, because you're already right here. So I've been talking about this forever, but I tell you guys this all the time. Everything that I teach you are things that they're not theoretical, like mumbo jumbo that I just read online. These are things that I'm doing out in the field myself. I'm applying these techniques, and this is a prime example here. We just picked up, because we charge $279 for like an average townhouse. Let me flip this around so you can so I can show you. So I mean, like these type of townhouses right here, look, like that right there. That's a typical townhouse for us. I'm charging $279 for a townhouse, and that's just our minimum price. But most of the townhouses fall under that price. But the bottom line, guys, is you want to be able to go out there and pick up an infinite. It's like a marketing glitch, or like what the young kids call a infinite money glitch, right? Because like I said, people, people will Google stuff, and find out about companies and whatnot. But like I said, I mean, you're already right here. So they don't need to Google you, because they already see the uniform, they already see the vehicle, they know you're a professional, they know they're hiring a professional company. Each one of these neighbors, they each pay $279. So we did, it's so funny because one house is yellow, one house is green, and one house is blue. Almost looks like a flag. But right here it's almost $1,000. Well, extra is what? Almost 600, 279. It's like 550, 560 extra that I'm adding to my day, just because of a little 6x9 postcard. And I showed you guys this the other day when we were talking about this. You guys go to cheapdoorhangers.com. I'll put up their website here for you. That's where I order mine. cheapdoorhangers.com, and you know, they're 170 bucks for 1,000 of these guys. And here's the example, you know, 2 of them just picked me up $600. So that's a freaking no-brainer all day long. And guess what, guys? Guess what? Also, I mean, I passed out a total of 40 because I started with the 50 pack and there was only 10 left. So, you know, the bottom line is those people are also going to call, you know, maybe by the end of the day, we'll pick up 1 or 2 more neighbors. And that's the point of the marketing, you know. It's real easy to follow success. You know, I talk about this all the time on the channel. Got somebody walking by. Building a successful pressure washing business doesn't have to be hard. I've coached hundreds of guys in the industry and always noticed the same mistakes: underpricing jobs, wasting money on bad marketing, focusing too much energy on the wrong parts of the business. That's why I built an extensive pressure washing course called the Wash Life Mastermind. Guys, this is a complete pressure washing blueprint with over 20 hours of in-depth training, detailed notes, step-by-step checklists designed to help you grow a real business. Now, we're talking pricing, marketing, sales, systems, finance management, everything I use to build Mr. Bubbles into a successful pressure washing company. So if you're tired of fumbling your way through the dark and you're ready to build your business the right way, check out the Wash Life Mastermind today. I always tell you guys, you know, copy success, because it's a lot easier than, you know, fumbling your way through the darkness trying to figure stuff out. These flyers, guys, they work. And, you know, you don't have to, you know, what is that saying? Like reconstruct the wheel or try to, you know, reinvent the wheel and all that. Like, you can just reach out to me. My email is ask@mrbubbles.com. I'll put it up here for your convenience. It's also, I mean, it's in the description of every single one of my videos. But you guys can email me and I'll send you a copy of my 6x9 postcard. You can just copy the actual design and use it as your own. That's what the purpose of the channel is, for you guys to copy what I'm doing, because we know that it works. And again, I mean, this is just in one day. Imagine you do this every day. You go out there, every job that you do, you put these, you know, these 5 rounds to the neighbors, and you're picking yourself up. You're guaranteeing yourself, at the very bare bones minimum, at least 1 job a day. And that's my tip for you guys. And that's what I wanted to show you in real time, like how this stuff actually works. I tell you all the time, if you just got to keep at it. It might not work right away, like instantly, but man, you keep doing it, guys. Sooner or later, that law of average starts to kick in. It is going to work for you as well. Also, reminder, guys, my pressure washing course, the Wash Life course, is finally out. Guys, this is 1 year of my life putting this thing together. It's not something we send in the mail. Once you get the course, we'll just send you a link. You watch all the videos from home, take a lot of notes. Guys, it also comes with a like a wash guide manual. It comes, each module, because there's 10 modules. Each module has a set of notes, and it has like a checklist for you guys for things that you have to do, like an action list type dealio. Anyway, guys, this is a great resource for your business, because there's things on there you're not going to see anywhere else. Like module number 1 is a 2-hour GMB, Google My Business tutorial, teaching you exactly, you know, how to optimize your Google My Business. So anyway, recommend that for you guys. If you have any questions, reach out. I'm always available to you. I'm a great resource to help you grow your business, because at the end of the day, I do this because, well, I don't want you guys to make the same mistakes that I made. So you avoid those mistakes. It took me 7-8 years to become successful in this industry. You know, you could do that in 2 or 3 if you follow my blueprint. But anyway, thanks for watching this one. And yeah, stay tuned, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Bubbles out.